In this video, we'll be setting up a campaign for all our employees to run on a monthly basis. We'll be stepping through the new campaign wizard, and I'll show you some tips and tricks along the way. So the first thing that we need to talk about is campaign type. So we have simulated phishing, standalone security awareness training, or a combination of both. And this is where an initial phishing email is sent, and only users that fall for the phish are then automatically served supplementary training, which is what we'll use for this demonstration. It's going to be a monthly recurring training, and it's going to go to all our employees. So I'll select all employees from the list and click next. Now, when it comes to phishing emails, I suggest selecting more than one. The system will choose at random, and because this is a monthly campaign, I want to select a bunch of emails because I don't want the same user to get the same email twice in a row. So instead of looking through the list and selecting emails at random, I'm going to be smart about my selection. So what I want to do is use the filters to refine my list. I'll select hard as the detection difficulty, and I'll select global as my geolocation. So that means that all these emails that you see now have an interaction rate of above 30 and are from global services. So I'll go ahead and pick a few. All right, now it's time to select the training. So as this is a monthly training, I want to select multiple trainings. And I also want to select trainings from different skill levels. And that's because by default, the system will be intelligently assigning one training to each user every time they fall for a phish. So the system will look back to see historically, how has this particular user interacted with the platform? Have they been doing well with their trainings? Do they have trainings overdue? And it would assign them trainings that are relevant to their skill level. So I'll go and select a bunch that are relevant to my team. Okay, now it's time to set the delivery schedule. So you could deliver this campaign immediately, but what I'm going to do is set up a schedule. So I'm going to make it so that this campaign runs from Mondays to Wednesdays. It will go during business hours, and it's using my time zone. So this will help boost the realism of the emails, because it means that not all the phishing emails are delivered immediately. They'll be staggered over those 3 days. Now, as I mentioned, this is going to be a monthly campaign. So I've chosen monthly and click next. Now this is an opportunity to review your settings, and once you're happy, simply hit submit. Now it'll take a few seconds, and then this campaign will be locked and loaded, ready to go on Monday. If you have any questions, please reach out to the team. Thanks.